welcome back. Well, at the surface of it, we're holding steady. We're just 6 points away from that 16,700 mark, so trending higher. But we're in the thick of the earnings season, and we have Vardhman Textiles that just reported its numbers. Maybe you should pull up the intraday chart of that one. It does not look like a very good set, to be honest, because the profitability has remained pretty much stagnant on a quarter-on-quarter basis. There is a tad bit of improvement when it comes to the top line on a sequential basis, but margins have slipped off, and that's the reason maybe you should pull up the intraday chart of Vardhman Textiles, and that will tell you how that stock has been reacting. But talking about earnings, we have Meghmani Finechem, which has reported a very fine set of numbers. The profitability has actually gone up 3 times on a year-on-year basis. The EBITDA has jumped up as much as twice as well, and the revenue is up 84% on a year-on-year basis. What really transpired this quarter? Let's understand that with Mr. Maulik Patel, the MD at Meghmani Finechem. Maulik, hi. Thank you so much for making time and speaking with us. First up, it does look like that your top line growth is, largely driven by the improvement in realization, and the volume growth has been limited to single digit. What kind of volume growth are you penciling in for rest of the year?
Currently we have commissioned a new project, which is downstream project, which is epichlorohydrin, which is chloroalkali downstream project, as well as CPVC, which we just announced a week back. So both the projects are commissioned. So we are expecting in the second half of this year, the volume will start picking up from both the projects. So this end of this financial year, we will have a volume growth from the new project, which we have commissioned, along with the caustic soda, which we are expanding, which will commission by end of this quarter 2. So we will see all 3 expansion projects volume growth by end of this financial year, as well as the revenue growth.
What would be that number, that volume growth number that you're talking about?
See, volume growth in ECH and the CPVC, we are going to achieve almost optimum level. We will reach gradually from quarter 3 onwards. By end of quarter 4, we will reach to optimum capacity of epichlorohydrin. And in quarter 1 next financial year, we will reach to optimum capacity of the CPVC plant capacity. And the caustic soda on the quarter 3 beginning, I think probably will reach to almost close to 90% capacity, what we are going to expand after current expansion.
Right, Maulik, this is Cheryl also joining in the conversation, and we spoke about caustic soda, of the capacity and the volume growth, but let's talk about the prices. Where do you see caustic soda and potash prices stabilizing going forward? And also, if you could tell us what kind of spreads should we expect per kg?
See, in the, caustic soda prices, normally it is, it is called, globally it is called ECU, which is including the chlorine and the hydrogen, chlorine prices along with the caustic soda prices. So that we are expecting, it is not coming down right now as other chemicals are going down because of the downstream applications, and demand is going down a little bit. But the caustic soda price globally is firm little bit compared to other chemicals, due to the major reason is it is energy intensive, and the energy prices in the globally it is not coming down. So mostly oil is coming down, but the other energy sectors like coal or gas, which is, Europeans are most of the gas-based economy, due to the Russia and the Ukraine things, the gas price in the worldwide is not coming down. So we are expecting in the quarter 4, the winter will start in Europe and US. So probably the gas price will firm up again, and the caustic soda price, we believe that it will remain in the current level throughout the year. That is the expectation we have.
Okay, so the caustic soda price is expected to remain at current levels, and would that mean that your spreads will be at the current level, or do you expect some sort of expansion when it comes to spread on potash as well as caustic soda?
We are expanding from 294,000 tons to 4 lakh tons capacity per annum, and which will be upstream from quarter 2 end. And I think we will start generating the production level, optimum level from end of quarter 3. So because caustic soda is very well-known product in our basket, since 10 years we have experience. So unlike ECH and CPVC, we can reach optimum capacity of the caustic soda capacity by end of quarter 3.
Right. Maulik, you've spoken quite a lot about ECH, and you've actually been betting big on these products. What sort of a revenue guidance are you aiming for this one going ahead? And I believe you've set a target of around 5,000 crore rupees by FY27. So are you on track for that?
See, our target, long-term target to achieve 5,000 crore, that is our aspiration. But in the current, like ECH and CPVC and the caustic soda expansion, which we have done, so we can easily reach to by once all the plant will reach to optimum level by FY 2024. So that FY 2024 we can reach to easily 3,000 crore. And after that, our chlorotoluene project, we just started construction of that project, that is going to be commissioned by Q4 FY 2024. So that will start generating the revenue from FY 2025. And currently we are evaluating import substitute molecule, which is integral part of chloroalkali. And we are currently project are evaluation stage. But once the cash flow of ECH and CPVC will start coming, we will announce those projects in the future as well.
Okay, Maulik, we'll let you go on that note. Thank you so much for making time and speaking with us today. The stock has definitely had a very good run. It's almost doubled this year so far. And if you look at it on a one-year basis, the stock has gone up almost 3 times. So quite a bit of positive momentum around that one. Though today it's a bit tempered in trade. But let's move on and take the